Welcome to Gaya, a city as ancient as time itself, etched with the footsteps of history and echoing with the whispers of spirituality. Here on the banks of the sacred Falgu river we find a place where the past and present intertwine, where ancient traditions continue to thrive in the heart of modern India. From the hallowed grounds of Bodh Gaya, where Siddhartha Gautama reached enlightenment, to the bustling streets filled with pilgrims and the aroma of incense, Gaya offers a sensory experience unlike any other. Gaya stands as a testament to the enduring power of faith, a city where spirituality and devotion are woven into the very fabric of daily life. It serves as a beacon for seekers from across the globe, drawing people from all walks of life who come in search of spiritual solace and enlightenment. This sacred city holds a profound significance for two of the world's great religions, Buddhism and Hinduism, each finding a unique and sacred space within its boundaries. For Buddhists, Gaya is synonymous with Bodh Gaya, a short distance from the city itself where the journey to enlightenment began. It was here, beneath the shade of the sacred Bodhi tree, that a young prince named Siddhartha Gautama attained enlightenment, becoming the Buddha, the awakened one. Today, the magnificent Mahabodhi temple complex stands as a symbol of this profound event, drawing pilgrims from across the world who come to pay homage and seek inspiration. Hindus too hold Gaya in high regard, considering it a sacred place of immense spiritual importance. The Vishnupad temple, with its iconic footprint of Lord Vishnu imprinted on a rock, stands as one of the holiest sites for Hindu devotees, a place where the divine touches the earth. It is here that they come to perform pindan, a ritual offering for the salvation of their ancestors, ensuring their peace in the afterlife. Gaya's streets are a testament to this confluence of faiths, with saffron-robed monks walking alongside Hindu priests, each immersed in their own spiritual practices. Their chants and prayers create a symphony of devotion, a harmonious blend of spiritual expressions that define the essence of Gaya. Gaya's story stretches back through the mists of time, its roots firmly planted in the rich soil of ancient India. This city has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, its stones whispering tales of emperors and ascetics, of conquests and enlightenment. The Mauryan Empire, under the reign of the great Ashoka, left an indelible mark on Gaya. Emperor Ashoka, after his conversion to Buddhism, transformed Gaya into a major pilgrimage center, erecting pillars and stupas that still stand today. The Gupta dynasty, known for their patronage of the arts and sciences, further enriched Gaya's cultural heritage. Temples and monasteries flourished under their rule, adding to the city's architectural grandeur. Gaya finds mention in ancient Hindu epics like the Mahabharata and Ramayana, its name echoing through the corridors of time. As you wander through the city's ancient lanes, you can almost hear the echoes of these bygone eras, whispering tales of a glorious past. Nestled on the banks of the Falgu River, Gaya is blessed with a unique geographical tapestry. The Falgu, considered sacred by Hindus, meanders through the city, its waters reflecting the changing colors of the sky. The river plays a vital role in Gaya's religious rituals. Pilgrims gather on its banks to bathe in its sacred waters, seeking purification and spiritual renewal. The ghats, or steps leading down to the river, come alive with activity, especially during religious festivals. Gaya's landscape is characterized by a gentle undulation of hills and plains, creating a picturesque backdrop for the city's ancient temples and monuments. The city's skyline is punctuated by the towering spires of temples, a constant reminder of its spiritual significance. Gaya serves as a gateway to other important Buddhist pilgrimage sites, including Rajgir and Nalanda, making it an ideal base for those seeking to delve deeper into the Buddhist circuit. Gaya is a treasure trove of architectural marvels, each structure whispering tales of bygone eras. Nestled in the heart of Bihar, this ancient city is a living museum of history and spirituality, where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered, and profound faith. The Mahabodhi temple complex at Bodh Gaya stands as the crown jewel, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This sacred site is not just an architectural wonder, but also a beacon of spiritual enlightenment, and one of the most sacred sites in Buddhism. This magnificent temple, with its towering spire reaching for the heavens, marks the spot where Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment. Pilgrims from all over the world come here to meditate and seek inner peace. The intricate carvings, the serene Buddha statues, and the palpable aura of tranquility make it a truly awe-inspiring destination. The Vishnupad temple, with its distinctive octagonal structure, is another architectural gem. This temple is not only a marvel of design, but also a significant religious site. The temple houses the sacred footprint of Lord Vishnu, a site that draws millions of Hindu pilgrims each year. Venture beyond the city to discover the Barabar Caves, ancient rock-cut chambers dating back to the 3rd century BC. These caves are a testament to the advanced engineering skills of ancient India. These caves, carved into the surrounding hills, served as a refuge for Jain ascetics and bear witness to the enduring legacy of Jainism in the region. The Thai monastery, with its gleaming golden roof and ornate decorations, adds a touch of Southeast Asian aesthetics to Gaya's architectural landscape. This blend of cultures and religions makes Gaya a unique and enriching destination for any traveler. Gaya is more than just its temples and monuments. It is a living, breathing testament to the enduring power of culture. The city pulsates with a unique rhythm, a blend of ancient traditions and modern aspirations. As a major center for religious learning, Gaya attracts scholars and students from across the globe. The city is home to numerous monasteries and educational institutions, where ancient scriptures are studied and debated, keeping the flame of knowledge alive. Gaya's streets come alive during festivals, each celebration a riot of color, music and dance. Makar Sankranti, the harvest festival, sees the city adorned with kites of all shapes and sizes, soaring through the sky like colorful birds. Navaratri, the 9-night festival dedicated to the divine feminine, is celebrated with great fervor in Gaya. The city reverberates with devotional songs and dances as locals and visitors alike immerse themselves in the festive spirit. Gaya, once a remote pilgrimage destination, is now easily accessible to the modern traveler, its gates open to those seeking spiritual solace, historical insights, or a taste of authentic Indian culture. Gaya Junction, a major railway station, connects the city to major metropolises across India. For those arriving by air, Gaya International Airport, located just a short distance from the city centre, welcomes flights from within India and a growing number of international destinations. This modern airport serves as a gateway for pilgrims and tourists alike, facilitating their journey to this ancient city. A network of well-maintained roads and highways connect Gaya to neighbouring cities and towns, making it easy to explore the surrounding region. Whether you choose to arrive by air, rail or road, Gaya welcomes you with open arms, ready to share its treasures and stories with the world. No journey through Gaya is complete without savouring the flavours of its unique cuisine. The city is a paradise for food lovers, offering a wide array of dishes that are both delicious and unique to the region. The city's culinary landscape reflects its diverse cultural influences, offering a delectable blend of traditional Bihari dishes and delicacies unique to the region. Each bite tells a story of the rich heritage and the love for food that the people of Gaya hold dear. Litti Chokha, a staple dish of Bihar, finds a special place on Gaya's culinary map. This dish is not just food, it's an experience that connects you to the heart of Bihar. These baked wheat flour dumplings, filled with a savoury mixture of roasted gram flour, spices and herbs, are served with a dollop of ghee and a side of mashed potatoes, eggplant and tomatoes. The combination of flavours is simply irresistible. Thekua, a sweet treat made with wheat flour, jaggery and ghee, is another must-try in Gaya. This traditional dessert is not only delicious but also holds cultural significance. These crispy deep-fried cookies, often moulded into intricate shapes, are especially popular during the festival of Chhath Puja. They are a testament to the region's rich culinary traditions. Pilgrims and visitors alike flock to the many street food stalls that line Gaya's bustling lanes. The vibrant atmosphere and the aroma of freshly cooked food make it an unforgettable experience. From savoury snacks like samosas and kachoris to sweet treats like jalebis and gulab jamuns, there's something to satisfy every palate. The variety and richness of Gaya's street food scene are truly remarkable. As our journey through Gaya draws to a close, we hope you leave with a sense of awe and inspiration, your spirit touched by the city's enduring spirituality, rich history, and vibrant culture. Gaya is more than just a destination, it is an experience, a journey of self-discovery. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more explorations of incredible destinations around the world. Until next time, may your journeys be filled with wonder and discovery.